Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a fun one. It's going to be an unboxing. So I haven't did that in a little while on my channel and I just wanted to do that today. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe down below if you've not already, and let's get into this, guys. So today we have my Ipsy unboxing. This is the Glam Bag X box. You get this box quarterly, so you get it every 4 months or every 3 months, however that works. So this month, each box of the Glam Bag X is curated by like a famous person or popular person. This one is curated by Madeline Patech. This is what she looks like. I don't know her, so yeah. So then inside the little magazine thing, it does list all the products and the prices, and I do really appreciate that. I wish that in the regular, just the regular Glam Bag, they would give you a brochure that would list the products and the amounts, but they don't. They only do it in the little magazine thing for the Glam Bag X. Anyways, so let's dive into my box. I've got some good stuff. So first up, I have the Saturday Skin Apple and Peach Rise and Shine Gentle Cleanser. I'm pretty excited about this. I've heard really good things about Saturday Skin. I'm just gonna, okay, so the retail value of this one is $26. So that's pretty good. And I do enjoy trying out a good new cleanser. So here's what the bottle looks like. It's very pretty. It's like a light pastel pink. I think it's really cute. Okay, next up we have this Nude Sticks foundation. And I have already put these products on my face today. That way I could kind of go ahead and give you my thoughts of the products. Okay, so the Nude Sticks foundation is $36. It is a lightweight, buildable. It gives you a natural glow that helps minimize the look of redness and discoloration. So I did go ahead and apply this today, and it is a very light coverage foundation. It did take away the redness of my skin, but it didn't really give you much coverage. I did go ahead and put on a little bit more onto like my cheekbone area, and that did give me some more coverage. But overall, it is just a light coverage foundation. I do feel like it's going to be nice. I don't know how much it will hold up for me during the summertime because it does seem like it is a more hydrating, not a matte foundation. So we will see about that one. But I am excited to get a foundation in my box. I don't get that very often, so I'm excited for that. Next up in my box, I got the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. And this one retails for $27. So I did get mine in the shade Light Sand. I was a little concerned when I went to apply this. It did seem a little bit orange. But then I realized by the time I blended it in with the Nude Sticks foundation, I felt like it did give me more coverage with the light coverage foundation. So I did enjoy that. And it is for sure a hydrating concealer. It is kind of a thicker, moussey formula, but it did leave my skin looking hydrated, not dry or cakey or anything. So you will need to set this if you're going to use this product because it is very dewy looking, but it did give me more coverage under my eyes and like on my cheekbones where I fight like redness and stuff. So I did appreciate that. Next up in the box is this Primetime Illuminating Serum by Olivia Palermo. Here's what the box looks like. So this illuminating serum retails for $40. I did not use this one today. I'm just not sure if I'm going to keep this one or pass it along. It is in this really pretty like teal blue bottle. So I can't say if I like it or not because I didn't try it out. The next like skincare thing we have is this Ren Clean Skincare Overnight Recovery Balm. This one here retails for $52. That's expensive. It says, get ready to wake up to a calmer, clearer skin. Uses lipids from olive, almond, and linseed oils. It soothes redness and irritation. So I don't know, I might end up trying that, but I've been using a medicated acne treatment, so I haven't been using a whole lot of other skincare products, but it sounds interesting. So that's the other item I got. Moving into some more makeup, I got, this is new from Keys Soul Care. It is a sheer floss cheeky tint. So this retails for $22, and I did use this one today as well. And I have to say, I think it's very nice. I liked the color. I liked the color it left on my cheeks. Even after I set it with powder, it does look really nice. I used my finger just to like blend it into my cheeks, and I felt like it blended in nicely and it didn't like lift up my foundation. So I think I'm going to get some use out of this one. I feel like it's going to be a really pretty one for summertime. The shade Grace seems really like a summery color. This was an add-on I did, is this Kokie concealer in the shade Medium Beige. I love this concealer. And you can't find Kokie anymore at Walmart. You used to be able to find Kokie Cosmetics at Walmart, and you can't anymore. So whenever I saw they had this in the $3, I think it's $3.50 now. It used to be $3 section for an add-on. I did this as an add-on because this concealer is amazing. And then another product in my box is this Nude Sticks Cream Blush. It comes in this cute little tin. I guess I need to show it to you. So here's the little tin it comes in, and then it does have like a little mirror up there in the tin. And then the blush is inside, and it's like a little stick blush. And you like roll it up here, and then it does have a little brush. I'm gonna have to test out this little brush, but the blush seems really pretty. So the Nude Sticks retails for $34. So I really haven't ever tried anything from Nude Sticks, and to get to try out 2 products from the brand, I feel like it's pretty cool. And then the last product in the box is this iconic London eyeshadow palette. This is the Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. And I did do a look on this, and I am just going to overlay that while I talk about it. The palette is very nice. I feel like it blended nicely. I was able to create a look, and it all, you know, turned out really pretty. And this one retails for $62, and I know that Iconic London is really expensive, and I like the palette. I think it's really pretty for summer. So that's going to do it for everything in my Ipsy Glam Bag X box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget you're absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.